Guys, this is awesome. Wirelessly charging, automatic adjusting. When it senses your phone is on here, by the wirelessly charging, it then automatically closes with your phone on. Hello my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're showing you guys this electromagnetic wireless car charger. So you guys can use this with your vent or on your dash. I personally don't like using it with my vent. I like the dash setup, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright guys, so we got ours installed here. We put it on the dash. So all you do is you take this piece off and then you put this on and then you thread this back on. You stick it on your dash just like that. We got our charging cable in here connected to our 12 volts. So we're gonna go ahead and give this some power. So this is gonna give it power. Alright guys, once you connect to power, press the button and it automatically opens up. So we're gonna go ahead and place our phone down in here. And it automatically picked our phone and it's already charging just like that. I don't know if you guys can see the icon, but it's already charging. It's got a phone in there nice and solid. We just gotta twist this and mount this on a little better. Guys, this is awesome. I absolutely love it. Press the button on the side, it releases our phone. Pull our phone off, set our phone on, automatically adjust. Guys, this is amazing. Absolutely love it.